Welcome back to Meadow Street Media. That's right, today, Tractor Supply Company's Cola Gummies. I've never had these before, so let's see if they're any damn good. Right after this. And we're back with the Cola Gummies. I just want to say, I'm not sure if I want to do a series on this Tractor Supply brand yet. This one looked interesting, so that's the only reason why I'm trying it. But they do have gummy sharks and things like that. Ooh. Second whiff, no. It's more like a cheap dollar store cola. That's what it looks like, a little bottle of cola. Yeah, it certainly smells like a really old syrup from one of those fountain pop machines, or whatever you want to call it. You know, when it drips in the back and it sits there and it gets stagnant and... It tastes like a flat cola. Here. You asked for it, bitch. Don't eat it. It's not bad. I've certainly had worse than this. I would recommend these. Of course, they're only sold at Tractor Supply Company. Pretty damn good. I bet they could go great with alcohol, too. If you took a whole bag of these and put them into an empty water bottle, fill it with a tequila or something, vodka, and just let it melt. Anyway, thank you again for joining us at Meadow Street Media, and I'll see you next time. Okay, I know I already closed the video out, but I just ate a few more of these, and they actually remind me of a Slurpee, the Coca-Cola Slurpee. When you eat more than one at a time, it actually tastes better. So, anyway, this is the end of the video right here. Bye.